chilly sleep, whatever. Scene one, take one.
If your Sleepme Dock Pro is leaking out of this reservoir when the system is not in use, you likely need to replace the check valve. Let's talk about what you'll need to get it done.
Again, as it is. Action.
The next thing we need to use, hang on, and the next thing we need to use.
I think if you did like a sort of thing with that little dainties.
Alright, now we can take the bucket away.
Ooh. Yeah, right here is us instantly doing what we told you not to do.
Exactly. The unit splashing onto electronics. I like the first one better.
Oh, I kind of like that one better.
Really?
I wish the gimbal solved all my inadequacies as a filmmaker.
That's where this long reach Phillips screwdriver can really come in handy, but you can still get to it with a regular one if you want.
Okay. We're rolling, so at your leisure.
This should be Benny Hill music.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna keep talking the entire time.
Perfect. Doesn't look weird ever. Smile. Chilly sleep. Scene 10, take 1. Yeah.
Rolling.
Yep.
Put the f***ing screws back is the next step.
HR straps a company.
Just like that.
Just like that.